Excuse me.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Morrow County, central Knox County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sparta, or 9 miles west of Mount Vernon, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Oh crap. Of course I can't pick it up.
Damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Fredericktown, Gambier, and Sparta.
That was out of nowhere. Why can't I pick up WWG?
Columbus
That's cool.
International